One thing I'll tell you for sure is that you don't have to live in Nairobi to experience luxury, tranquility, privacy, and elegance in one place. Welcome to Rongai. In this place, nature and sophistication are one thing. This is where every sunrise feels peaceful, every evening feels much homely at this place. And today I want to show you a property that is not just a house, it's a lifestyle, it's a statement. This one is where memories await to be created. Stay with me because this home might just be the dream you have been searching for. The moment you arrive, one thing becomes clear. This property was designed for someone who appreciates beauty. From the clean contemporary architecture all the way to the manicured gardens and the serene atmosphere, everything here whispers elegance. Look at the mature trees, the fresh green lawn areas. Look at how beautifully paved the driveway is. Now, where I am at, this is the indoor covered parking, leading you all the way to the backyard. At the backyard, you get the biodigester down, then to next, you get to have the 20,000 liter tank. The height of the wall is well done, heavy and highly raised for the maximum securities. Apart from that, you have electric fence above it with barbed wire. Now, you have the access to walk all around your unit freely without having some obstruction to see what's going on the other side of your house. Now, looking at this, it's the kind of compound where the kids get to play freely, where family gathering becomes unforgettable, and where every day feels like an holiday. Stepping inside, you'll immediately feel something special. Natural light floods every corner of this room. Spacious layouts with the sunken living lounge creates warmth and openness. Just have a look at what this house has to offer. The fact that every room flows effortlessly into the next, this creates an environment that feels inviting and peaceful. The color mixture, color blending of black and white makes the kitchen even much better. Look at the pantry area. It's a closed pantry area with a door opening to the DSQ side. As you can see, the plumber is repairing some water pump that pumps water from the underground water tank of 20,000 liters up to the other tanks. Let's get back into the main house. Through the pantry, you can get to access the kitchen. And look at how massive this kitchen is. Black and white color mixture. I love it. These are the homes where Christmas mornings becomes magical and the birthday gets celebrated so much. This is the first bedroom on the ground floor, also known as the guest bedroom. Well spaced, big cabinetries, and ensuite. Most importantly, ensuite. Next to it, you get a powder room under the staircase. Next to the powder room, you have a door leading you back to the parking. Then from there, you under the staircase and after the washroom, you have an extra storage there with the good lighting. So this is a magical house. This is a house that deserves to be yours. Look at the lighting at the staircase leading from up to down. If I were you, I could have called right now. This is the second bedroom on the first landing level. Also ensuite, well lit, natural lighting. The fact that the natural lighting is so much after even getting the windows tinted makes this house even better. Let's continue. This is the third bedroom and it's on the first landing level still. So on the first landing level, you have 3 bedrooms. 4 bedrooms, I mean. one near the staircase, then the one that we are in right now, the fourth one, then the fifth, which is the master bedroom. We are now heading to the fourth bedroom, which is after the family room. This is the family room, or you can just call it the TV room. It has got a balcony which overlooks the avocado farm on the other hand. This makes the house even way better. It got so many advantages because you have natural views permanently, and in future they are going to be even better because the avocado trees are going to grow bigger. This is the fourth bedroom, which is also ensuite. I can consider this the boys' bedroom because it's next to the TV room. Boys love games, boys love TV games, they love watching, so I'd rather put them into that bedroom. This is the master bedroom with his and hers cabinetries. On the other side, you have bed headlights, and you have a balcony for the master bedroom, extensively cutting across all the corners from corner to corner with good views of your lush garden. This is the washroom for the master bedroom, ensuite, and with his and hers hand wash. Look at the natural lighting in the washroom itself. From the master bedroom, let me show you first. This is how big, how massive the cabinetries are. So it's not just an imaginary wardrobes, but they are so massive, very massive. From that point, moving on, you get to access the staircase leading you to the uppermost part of this house, which is the last landing level. Onto this last landing level, what I'd consider is putting a chandelier over there running all the way extending down. This is, we call it a prayer room, or you can use it as an office or a library at home. From there, you get to access the rooftop terrace. From the rooftop terrace, you get to have a 360 view of the environment around you. You can see this neighborhood is already mature. People have built. It's somewhere functional, so you're not coming into a jungle by yourself. That's the avocado farm I was informing you initially. The way it's extensive makes it way better. When this avocado will be matured, you'll get to have good fresh air. Everything will be flawlessly perfect. This is the laundry area. When you have a house manager, they don't have to worry about the sunlight and the rains that are unpredictable when washing your clothes. They are covered. This one, we consider it as the gym. People use it as a gym or home conference area, whereby when you have your visitors, you have to meet them in your conference room. You bring them up there. Onto this side is just an extra space. If I was to do the gym, I'll not do it on that room, but outside here with doing some polycarbonate sheet covering. So the best thing you can do at this level is to call me on 0708 11 71 71. Call me Dennis. Get to have the feeling of visiting and experiencing this house by yourself. I might tell you everything here, but you might not feel the way this house is generously done. Come feel it by yourself. Let's engage. Let's interact. Thank you so much.